Hey guys, what's going on? DB Gamer here, and as I told you in the previous video, today we are gonna be doing a comparison video. So today we are gonna be comparing Goku's Kamehameha to Vegeta's Final Flash, and also we're gonna be comparing Goku's SSB Kaioken times 20 to Super Saiyan Blue Evolution. So let's begin. So now let's discuss about their origin. So Vegeta and Goku are actually aliens and their species name is Saiyan. So they are very prideful warrior. But the fierce demon Frieza, who ruled over the Saiyans, destroyed the planet Vegeta where the Saiyans lived. But Goku's father Bardock saved him by sending him to Earth, and Vegeta and the other Saiyans were saved somehow. After years, when they both grew up, Vegeta came to conquer Earth, but Goku defended the Earth and fought with Vegeta. But Vegeta was way powerful than Goku, but Goku somehow crossed his limits and won against Vegeta. Since then, Vegeta and Goku became buddies and they started exploring their power and new transformations. So that was their origin, guys, and now moving on to the comparison. Now let us compare Goku's Kamehameha to Vegeta's Final Flash. Now these are their signature moves. So let us first start with Goku's Kamehameha. First I will tell the and Super Kamehameha and Time Kamehameha. So Super Kamehameha is nothing but Kamehameha which is charged fully, means for more time, and times 10 Kamehameha is nothing but a Kamehameha with the power of 10 times a Kamehameha. So that's the difference I hope to tell you. Now Goku learned it when he was a kid and he saw from Master Roshi using it, and Master Roshi also helped him and trained Goku how to use the Kamehameha wave. And coming back to Final Flash, so Final Flash is a signature move for Vegeta, and he also has other signature moves like Final Explosion, Final Shine Attack. I think Final Shine Attack is non-canon, and I think he used it in GT, I think, because I didn't watch GT, but no problem, we'll count Final Shine Attack too. Okay, so coming back to Final Flash. So Final Flash is a move that Vegeta did not learn by himself. He created it in the Cell Saga and against Cell, Perfect Cell, and he was almost about to destroy the Earth, but he drove it away and managed not destroying the Earth. So now it's time to compare Goku's Kamehameha to Vegeta's Final Flash. It's actually really hard to decide as Goku's Kamehameha is really strong and Vegeta's Final Flash is also really powerful, so it's really hard to decide. But if you ask me my opinion, I think Final Flash is stronger because as you see the anime, Vegeta takes a lot of time to charge Final Flash, and it's really it's hard to control with the Final Flash. Vegeta sometimes misses the target and it's so hard to control the Final Flash, but in case of Kamehameha it's nothing like that. Goku doesn't need time to charge, means he takes time to charge but not like Final Flash, right? He takes less time to charge and like that. That's why I think Final Flash is a bit stronger. So it's just my opinion, but Goku may also have some upper hands and he may also win. But if you ask me, in my opinion, I think Vegeta's Final Flash will win. So now let's compare Goku's Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken times 20 and Vegeta's Super Saiyan Blue Evolution. So first, let's talk about Goku's Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken times 20. The name sounding so big, so I'll just call it SSB times 20. So don't mind it. So moving on to the comparison, guys. Now let's talk Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken times 20. So it's nothing but using Super Saiyan Blue and mixing his whole technique Kaioken to it, and that's how he uses Super Saiyan Blue Kaioken times 20. but there's a minus point to it. Uh, as you know, he can't hold in Kaioken for much longer, so it affects his body. So he'll soon run out of stamina during the battle with Vegeta. So now talking about Vegeta's Blue Evolution. So it is also a version of Super Saiyan Blue, but an upgraded version. That's why it's Super Saiyan Blue Evolution, and he used it against Jiren and Toppo. That's it. He used it in Tournament of Power, and it's his latest form. So now coming to the comparison of who will win. So if you ask me, it's very hard to decide. It's really hard to decide, but if you ask me, in my opinion, I think that Vegeta's evolution will win because as you see in anime, against Toppo, he uses final explosion, means he destructs himself, but still he survives, and not only survives, but he also transforms back again into Blue Evolution, which is really hard and proves that Vegeta has really like outstanding stamina, and by which we can say that and even as I said, Goku has less stamina, and soon he will run out of stamina, so he'll transform back again to Super Saiyan Blue, by which he can't win against Vegeta's Blue Evolution. So that's why, in my opinion, I think Vegeta will win, but don't think that it's just my opinion, so don't worry. There might be some chances that Goku can also win, but if you ask me, in my opinion, I think Vegeta will win. That's it for today's videos, guys, and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.